I thought it'd be really cool to develop my own take on a red glitter delay for the rockets. And all I know is you can either use red glitter composition specific for that purpose, or you can actually use red strobe stars, which I think I'm gonna try first. Now, it'd be nice to be able to do this because I can use these for shells and for the delay if it works. But I'm gonna try 3 different tests. Now, your delay usually starts, about halfway up your tube. So I think for this test I'm gonna do 5 increments starting here, and I actually pressed one up. I'm using a HDPE tube because it's cheaper than using these high quality tubes. Yeah, but it should perform about the same. I'm gonna just set it in the rocket stand like this, and hopefully it doesn't fly away somehow. But so I guess I'll show you my stars here. This is my own formula I came up with after vigorous testing. But it's kind of hilarious. It's just really wacky. I'm using kind of a Blesser strobe-esque type of thing with weird different modulations to it. Instead of sulfur, I don't know what it was, 12 sulfur or whatever. I'm using copper oxychloride for the catalyst, and I'm thinking, okay, we only need 2 instead of that 12. So I'm thinking, that's good because I can allocate more to the strontium nitrate here. Negative 200 mesh magnesium at 14. That's, I guess, nothing odd, but this next part definitely is. 5 potassium perchlorate for our second oxidizer. Somehow it works, I don't know why, but Florida Pyro actually discovered it in strobe rocket fuel. So I thought it'd be cool in this because it has chlorine, whereas 7 potassium nitrate, which you normally use, doesn't. So we'll see. Well, I've already came up with it. It seems to work pretty good. I was going for more of a vivid strobe rather than a bright, powerful, fast cycling one. This lasts quite a while. 14 Parlon, which is weird because usually that completely destroys the strobe effect. It just burns, normally. Usually use 5 dextrin. So this is as vivid as I could make it. Okay, I guess I'll just show you pressing up this one so you kind of get the idea of what I'm doing visually. Just putting in stars there, and then on top of that we lay the red flare delay, and this will get into all the nooks and crannies, I'm hoping, and hopefully preserve the strobe stars. So go ahead and press this. Well, I didn't hear any crunching, so I guess that's a good sign. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna do 5 increments of that. Oh man, well, this idea is kind of stupid, but I don't know, maybe it'll work. So I didn't have any red star mix, dry red star mix handy, so I'm just going to be using my prime mix. It has resin and dextrin, and this has just Parlon in it. This also has Parlon in it, I'm pretty sure, but I don't know, whatever. So I think This is really just so bootleg and stuff, but I'm just gonna try to keep this consistent, or have it on film so I remember how I do it in case it does work. But 1 scoop of our stars, and then on top of that we'll do 1 scoop of the prime. 1 scoop of the prime. And I'm just going to repeat that 5 times. Okay, and I guess I'll just tap it a little bit. Fill in those air voids or whatever. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so I guess I'll just do a little bit put a little bit of acetone in there. I don't know how much, really. Okay, I notice there's excess acetone floating on there. I'm trying to figure out a way to keep this consistent, but I guess I'll just pour that out and hope everything doesn't come out. Okay, so now that we've flooded it with acetone, hopefully that all binds up together to create a solid mass or something. Now I'm just gonna leave it here probably for a day drying with this fan here. This one is 5 increments of just pure red strobe stars that are pressed in there. Yeah, kind of what I thought, just looking like a flare. They like busted out the bottom, that's interesting. Okay, this is half red flare mix, half red strobing stars pressed. Well, there's a few little sparkles, but I think they're really too crushed up to get any nice effect there. Whoa! I wasn't expecting that. That might actually work in a delay.